This is a review of Home Security's camera system. It has 4-pack. Let's go ahead and check it out. Secure local storage, easy to set up, multi-user access, works with Alexa, and this is weatherproof. Let's see what we have. Here's the user manual. We have the guidance stickers. These are solar panels right there. This is USB-C. Here is the home base. That's the sync button, Ethernet input. Let's check one of the cameras. Here we go. This is the first one. There is the sensor, LED lights, and the camera antennas. This is where we're gonna put it on the wall. There are two methods. You can either put it like that or put it like that. Since this is PTZ camera, 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt. These are some of the tools that we're gonna use for the installation. Let's see. We have all the screw tags, USB-A to USB-C charging cables, and Ethernet cable. This is the adapter for the home base. These are the bases for the solar panels. Here is how we're gonna put the solar base. Then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this area. You can adjust it however you like. Just loosen it and adjust it wherever the sun is coming from. And then tighten. That's it. I just put one camera right there. I will put the two solar panels on the two cameras, but the other ones are gonna be left alone. I put the second camera right there and the solar panel at the top. And the sun's coming from that way. I put the third camera right there. And here is the solar panel. And you can adjust it however you like. Since the sun is coming from that direction, I can just put it like that. Especially in the morning. It is getting the sunlight. We're good to go. And here is the area. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. I plugged the solar panel in. Now we're done with the third camera. And the fourth camera is gonna go right there. Now I'm done with the installation for the fourth camera. And I'm not gonna put the solar panel. And we can see the difference. Now we can go ahead and check them out one by one. Here we have 4 cameras together. As you can see, this is on the left in the front yard, and this is on the right front. This is on the left in the backyard, and this is on the right in the backyard near the balcony. You can see all of them live right now. Let's go ahead and check this out. The first camera. Check the quality. And this is SD version, by the way. Let's change it to HD. Now this is HD version. Since this is two-way audio talk, you can press right there, you can listen, as you can see. And here is the area you can talk to. Now outside people can hear it. And you can take a picture, took it, and you can record a video. Now it's recording. And saved. And here is the full screen. As you can hear, there is wind outside. Here is the area. You can talk right there. Now you're able to talk. At the top, you can see some of the settings too. Oh, check this out. There is no distortion, no lagging, no nothing. That's awesome. How about down, up? There we go. There is siren, HD, SD. And you can see 4 cameras together at the top. You can mute the sound right there. And take a picture and record a video, and you can make it maximize. Here, when you look at the left side, you can see the battery level and the signal level. It's 80% right there. That's a good thing. And here is the front one, the other one. You see some, how about HD quality? Just give it some time. How about HD ST quality right there? As you can see, it is widescreen. Since I put the solar panel, as you can see right now, it is charging. I just wanted to show you the difference between them. There is also a sign over there. You can go to all cameras. How about in the backyard? Let's maximize it. This is my backyard. I'm able to see everywhere. And there is no solar panel on this for testing purposes. And you can also press right there and directly go to 4 cameras. And here is the other one. As you can see, there is no lagging or anything. That's good. That's a good thing. When we check the settings, motion detection alerts, push notification settings, recording settings, optimal battery life right now. You can change the recording times, 5, 10, 20, 30. And screen and sound recording, night vision, full color night vision, and daylight vision. And there is privacy area. Since I have some of my neighbors, I can just choose the privacy area. There is PTZ speed. You can change that. Advanced settings, and you can share the device with your loved ones. I'm gonna go outside and walk in front of it. Let's see. Hello. Can you hear me? I don't pick it up. We just watched 1 camera. I'm gonna walk around right there between 2 cameras, and let's see if 2 of them are gonna see me. Since all of them are live right now, I'm gonna be right here and right there at the same time. Hello, hello, hello. Now we check 2 cameras together. Right now I'm done with the daylight, and I'm gonna show you the quality of the video at nighttime. Now there is a little bit sun since it's winter time. We can check it out here. Here is the backyard ones. Right now it is SD, and now it's HD quality. We will check it out during the nighttime. Now it's the nighttime. We can go ahead and check it out. It's raining outside right now. All of them are live. The quality of the video is awesome, as you can see. I will show you outside. This is the second camera. We can turn on the voice. Here is the backyard. And this is the second one in the backyard. This is what I have on the iPad. And this is what it looks like in my backyard. You can see it like daylight time. 1 camera is over there, 1 is right there. I'm right there. Let's check the front ones. In the front yard right now. That's the first one, and that's the second one right there. Here is the area. This is what it looks like. Let's go to the setting. This is screen and sound recording. We're gonna find full color night vision. Normally we were using full color night vision, and now I'm gonna use infrared night vision. Let's go ahead and check. Now we're getting all the videos right now. How about this? This is my backyard. As you can see, and that, and here, and the front. This is basically incredible video quality. I cannot even see, but The cameras have the LED lights right there, right there. This is what cameras see. I can see all the details. Let me go ahead and move. You see, I'm right there. How about the siren? I can go ahead and turn it off. This is gonna take about 15 seconds. Now it's gonna stop. Stopped. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it is working with Alexa and you can see all 4 cameras at the same time. Even though it is too dark outside, but you're able to see everything. It's like daytime, and you have the PTZ option. Whichever the camera you choose, you can use the PTZ as soon as possible. And there are 2 quality, SD and HD. Take a picture, video recording, 2-way audio talk, siren, and this is recording to the home base, not on the cameras. That's another good thing. And the video quality is awesome, as you can see right there. If you want to use cloud option or AI alerts, smart detection, alerts, etc. Let's check the playback. Here's the playback option. And there are some options over here: human, animals, cars, package. And you can go back in time and check. You see, whenever there is movements, it is putting some marks around here and you can see it easily.